Hello everyone, my name is Kavita and we are going to learn addition today. I'm sure you all know how to add numbers, but I'm going to show you a Vedic math method to add the numbers. The big advantage of the Vedic math method is that there are very less chances of making errors and it is also very quick to add numbers. So let us see how we add the numbers using Vedic math method. Whatever numbers you have to add, you write in a vertical manner, that is from top to bottom. Then you start counting from the unit place from top to bottom. When our sum becomes 10 or more than 10, then we write it as a base and remainder. For example, if the sum becomes 10, we write as 1 as our base and 0 as a remainder. We circle our base and we remember the remainder. This remainder is added to the next number in the unit column. Here we need to memorize the fact that we count up to 18. Bases counted at the end are carried forward to the next column, that is tens or 100 places and so on. And once the bases are carried forward, they are added to the numbers in their respective column. So let us take some example where you will understand better. Let us take an example of adding one digit number. Here you have to add 6, 4, 5, 3, 7 together. So you write the numbers in a vertical way from top to bottom. Then you start adding from the topmost number. So add 6 plus 4, you get 10. So here 10, we write 1 as our base, we circle it, and 0 as our remainder. This 0 is added to the next number 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. And then 5 is again added to the next number 3. You get 8. So we are not going to write 8 as a base and remainder because it is a single digit number. So when you get double digit, when you get two digit, or when you get your sum more than 9, then you write as a base and remainder. So now this 8 is added to the next number, that is 7. You get 15. So in 15 you circle the 1 as your base and write 5 as a remainder, and then you write this 5 as in your answer box. So there is no next number. 7 is the last number. So after adding your 8 plus 7 in 15, you write 5 in the answer box. Then you add up the circled bases. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 you write in the next column. Here in next column there are no numbers at the tens place. So this 2 will come down in the answer box and your answer is 25. Another example of adding one digit number. Here you have to add 5, 4, 4, 6. 5 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6. So write the numbers in a vertical manner from top to bottom. And then you start from the topmost number. So add 5 plus 4 is 9. And 9 you again add the next number, that is 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. And in 13 you circle the 1 and you remember number 3. 3 is added to the next number 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. So write 9 in your answer box. And here only one base is circled. That base, that is number 1, comes in the next column. That is 1 here. And there are no numbers in the next column. So you just bring 1 in the answer box and your answer is 19. Another example, 5 plus 4 plus 4 plus 7. So write the numbers in a vertical manner, top to bottom. You add from the topmost number. So first you add 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9 and 9 plus 4 is 13. So in 13 you circle the 1 as your base and 3 is added to the next number. So 3 plus 7 is 10. So again it is 2-digit number 10. So you circle the 1 as your base and 0 comes in your answer box. And after writing 0 in the answer box, you see how many bases you have circled. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 comes in the next column. And here there are no numbers in the next column. So 2 comes straight away in your answer box and your answer is 20. Here I have given 3 problems for you to practice. So just add this number and you can check your answer in your next slide. And here are your answers. Let us take another example of adding 2-digit numbers. So first step, write 2-digit numbers from top to bottom. So here numbers are 18, 19, 17, 18 and 19. So first start from the topmost number from unit place, 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. So in 17, 1 you circle as a base and remember 7 as your remainder. Add 7 to the next number, 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. In 14 again you circle 1 as a base and remember 4 as your remainder. Add 4 to the next number, that is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Again 12, you circle the base 1 and remember 2 as your remainder. Add 2 to the next number, 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Again in 11, you circle 1 as a base and another 1 comes down in the answer box. Now count all the bases. Now in this problem, if you see, you circled how many bases? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after adding 4 bases, you take the number 4 to the next column. That is the tens column. Alright. So after writing base to the tens column, again you start adding from top to bottom. So 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9. So write 9 in the answer box and your answer is 91. We will take another examples where you have to add 15 plus 81 plus 55 plus 59. So you write the numbers in a vertical manner from top to bottom and then you start adding from the topmost number at the unit column. So 5 plus 1 is 6 and then 6 is added to the next number 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. So again it is a 2-digit number. So in 11 you circle the 1 as your base and this 1 is added to the next number 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Again 2-digit number. In 10 you circle 1 as your base and 0 comes in the answer box. Now you see how many bases you have circled? 2, 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 you write in the next column and then you again start adding from the topmost number. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. Again 2-digit number. In here in 11 you circle the 1 as your base and this 1 is added to the next number 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. Again you circle the 1 and this 1 comes in your answer box. Now count how many bases you have circled. 1 plus 1 2. You write 2 in the next column, right? So in next column there are no numbers. So this 2 comes in the answer box and your answer is 210. Here try these 3 problems and you can check your answer in your next slide. And here are your answers. Thank you. Let us take an example of adding 3-digit number. So you have to add 234 plus 403 plus 564 plus 721. So first step, you write the numbers in a vertical manner from top to bottom. And then you start adding the topmost number in the unit column. So 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7, right? And then 7 you add to the next number 4. So 7 plus 4 is 11. So here in 11 you circle 1, and then this one is added to the next number 2, and 2 comes in your answer box. And here only one number is your base, so that one comes in your next column. And then again you start adding from the topmost number. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. Again 4 plus 6 is 10. In 10 again you circle the number here 1, and 0 is added to the next number 2, and then 0 plus 2 is 2, and you write 2 in the answer box. And here only one number is circled, that is your base. This number comes in the next column. Alright, and then you, after writing the number in the next column, you start adding from the top. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, and 7 plus 5 is 12. Again in 12 you circle 1, and 2 is added to the next number 7. 2 plus 7 is 9. So here only one number you have circled, and this number will come in the next column. So here there are no numbers in the next column, so this one comes down in your answer box, and your answer is 1922. One more example of adding 3-digit number. So write the numbers in a vertical manner from top to bottom, and then you start adding from the topmost number of the unit column. 3 plus 9 is 12. In 12 you circle 1, and then 2 is added to the next number, that is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2, and then 2 is again added to the next number 8, and your sum is 10. So in 10 you circle the 1, and 0 comes in your answer box. So here two numbers are circled, 1 plus 1, 2. Then you write 2 in the next column here on the top of number 4. And then you start adding from the topmost number. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Again in 12 you circle 1, and 2 is added to the next number, that is 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. Again circle 1, and 0 is added to the next number, that is 7. 0 plus 7 is 7. And then write 7 in your answer box. Count how many numbers you have circled. 1 plus 1, 2. This 2 comes in the next column here on the top of number 5. And then again you start adding from the top. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Again in 10 you circle 1, and 0 is added to the next number 4. 0 plus 4 is 4, and 4 plus 6 is 10. Again circle 1, and 0 comes in your answer box. How many numbers you have circled? 1 plus 1, 2. This 2 comes in the next column. And here there are no numbers in the next column, so you just bring 2 in your answer box, and your answer is 2070. Here there are 2 problems for you to practice, so you can practice and check your answers in your next slide. So here is your answer, and another answer for 4-digit. Thank you. Here we are going to learn alternate method for addition only for 2-digit numbers. In this method, you can add only 2-digit number. You cannot add 1-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit or 5-digit. So let us see how this method works for adding only 2-digit numbers. Let us take an example, 67 plus 84. Again, the condition here is that you can add only two-digit numbers. Alright, if there are three two-digit numbers, then this method is not going to work. So, condition here is only two-digit numbers can be added. So, 67 plus 84, you write in a vertical manner. Then add 7 plus 4 is 11. 8 plus 6 is 14. Here you add the middle number 4 and 1. So from 11 this 1 comes in the answer box. You add 4 plus 1, 5. 5 comes in the answer box and 1 again comes in the answer box. Your answer is 151. One more example, 19 plus 99. So you add 9 plus 9, 18. 9 plus 1 is 10. 8 comes in your answer box and the middle two numbers are added. 0 plus 1 is 1. And then 1 comes here in the answer box and your answer is 118. Practice these three problems and check your answer in your next slide. And here are your answers. Thank you.